focus. Good morning, everybody. It is day one on our adventure of getting back to our buddies, Minimal Millennials, and restarting this Mexico adventure. We are not morning people. Hey, bud?
We tried.
We had the alarm set quite a few times. I heard it go off, and now it's 7:30. So, what time did we have it set for? 5? Well, that's insane. Who was ever getting up at 5?
I was gonna.
Smoothies, tea, go for a little washroom break at Walmart, which is where we're parked, then hit the road. Let's go.
Little deja vu. Little deja vu back to episode 1.
So if you don't know who we are, I'm just kidding. My goodness, this is literally retracing our steps.
Yep.
Wow.
FR, man.
Yeah.
FR, bro. Yes, she will.
She better start.
All right, you ready to go to Mexico?
Let's do this. Hello, Mexico.
They're coming for us.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? Yeah, we got the fridge. Water, agua. I'll show you guys some of this chaos here. It's just a bunch of immigration officers pulling over vans.
They just decide if they want to or not. It's crazy.
It's basically like a construction site, you know? Taking over our windshield. Look at him. No, brother. You gotta give him something now. You gotta give him 2 pesos. Alright. Thanks for wiping the windshield, bro.
So we're just rolling up to a fuel stop
amigo.
here.
¿Cómo estás? Bien. Diesel, fuel up. Por favor.
I want to thank you guys. A bunch of you sent us comments after watching us fuel up. I think we did get scammed a couple of times. Apparently the scam goes that when you roll up, they don't actually fully clear the till or whatever you want to call it, the money from the previous fueler.
Or they just add on like an amount.
Yeah, or they might just start it at something that's not zero.
Trying to book it so fast that we're just eating on the road. We're not gonna stop trying to make lunch. Cause we ain't got time. We ain't got no time. Yeah, the vlog's gonna be late. But Beck's exporting now. And then we're gonna try and upload it mobilely, the mobile Wi-Fi. Check out this beautiful road. This is Topo Chico stop number 3 of our trip. We couldn't help ourselves, guys. We stopped. We just wanted something quick, easy, cheap. What did we go for?
Sausages!
Field roast. We do not normally eat this much of this, but YOLO in it.
We're like literally trying to get somewhere as fast as possible. So.
But we just kept piling through the lunch or the snack items, like just.
Yeah, can you open
So we thought it was a good idea to stop and make a lunch. Hello vlog. Super interesting. We've been driving all day, no problems. And we just stopped at Walmart, as you saw. And we're in there for maybe 10 minutes. And then we came out and the oil light just came on and just says 1.0 quarts. So I don't know if that means like it's 1 quart's low or 1 quart's high. Like 1 quarts doesn't seem like a big deal. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call Mike.
It's like rain on your wedding day. On the bright side, there's some really cute cows next to us. Oh my god, how cute are they? Hi, cutie pies.
Can you send this photo to Mike? I'm gonna show the vlog what's going on.
Oh, fudge me.
Not good. Like those ones are dripping, and even the ones in the back. It's just a huge concern.
What are you looking for?
It's coming from this thing. If your head is directly underneath where the bolt is. No, it's dripping though.
I think Eamon has gone to try to find someone to maybe have a look at it if he's a mechanic. He's found someone.
Look at this, come here. Okay, it should be in between these lines. It's like I've never seen it that low.
Here, look. You see?
Maybe to sell it.
seal.
Up front.
A seal?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he might need a special tool to get that thing off. But he's,
Should I Google if there's a Mercedes around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let this guy speaks very good English though.
I know. This is the exact reason we spent all that money to get a brand new engine.
It's the exact reason.
Like, so we didn't have to stress or worry about anything. What's that?
So,
You're just gonna take a picture and send it to them?
The only thing is it's not synthetic.
It's not synthetic.
Oil?
you don't have synthetic?
No.
Okay, this is our amigo here. He's been amazing. He speaks really, really nice English. He's on the phone with Mercedes in Louise Potosi, which is 2 hours away, to find out if they have a Sprinter dealership in town. Otherwise, we need to go 3 hours the opposite direction to Monterey. Guys, don't even want to tell you how I feel. The way I see it, we've got 3 options. The option number 1 is that we roll the dice and get these guys to try and access. Mike's theory is that it is near that cap, and it could be either bolts. Luckily, that would be the best case scenario, because then you could just tighten them, or it could be like a part that we need. So we could roll the dice and get them to actually help us out and see, even though the guys never worked on the motor, so it's a little risky.
And does it get rid of our warranty?
No, it doesn't get rid of the warranty. Option number 2 is that we put it on a tow truck tonight and go to either Querétaro or Monterey, or we drive it to Querétaro, Monterey. Tom said to Mike that Mike shouldn't tell me this, but we drove all day with it. So he says grab 4 quarts of oil, monitor as you go, and just keep putting it in if you need to. And they said that they can, once we get to the dealership, if they don't have the part, then they could overnight it to that dealership. Or fly it, like put it on a plane and fly the part down. Tom's also gonna talk to Wanda, or whatever the head person's name is. Rhonda, and see if they can fly Mike down.
So then we should probably get it to a Mercedes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Querétaro, what up, Mario?
Oh my god.
They're gonna be so pleased to see us. What up, Serge? What up, Serge?
So should we just drive it?
Yeah. When life gives you curveballs, what do?
You're supposed to hit them out of the park.
You don't feel like hitting them out of the park today?
I just feel like, are you kidding me? That's what I feel like. I feel like hitting them out of the park.
So, let's see you hit one.
Yeah, but we're not even being thrown curveballs anymore. They're throwing a rocket ship.
Let's see you hit one. I want to see you hit one.
Throw it to me, baby.
Boom! Say it again, buddy.
I want to talk to you about it, though. I don't want to talk about it through the camera.
I know, but I think it's important that the vlog hears you say that.
No, I've already told them that. I feel like there's something in the universe that does not want us in Mexico. And as opposed to driving 4 hours while it's in the direction that we want to go, which is Querétaro, why are we going to risk everything again and be that much further away from home and the States when things can get fixed there and they can't here? Why are we going to get ourselves towed 4 hours in the wrong direction as opposed to 3 hours in the direction we just came from, which is really frustrating? But I feel like maybe...
But like really, Bubs, like what else could happen to the engine? What?
I literally drove out of there yesterday being like, okay, there's nothing.
Yeah.
It's just that they can't fix it here. You realize that we just towed you. You just spent a day of your life.
I'm hella aware.
And then we just spent another 2 days of our lives driving back the exact same route.
But I thought you were gonna hit the curveball out of the park. And now we're sunk into another little seat of depression.
No, I don't want to be depressed. I just want to talk to you about that option.
Yeah, you're right. It is an option. Bubs, we're gonna sort this out. We're going to Querétaro tomorrow. And we're gonna see Mario. I should call him.
Oh my god. We should call Christian and Aubrey. They said when things have settled.
You're only 8.5 hours from us.
I know. It was achievable to do tomorrow. By tomorrow, we could have been there.
I just quickly popped out garlic to get a couple more things of oil and came back, started whipping up a nasty. Beck's on the phone with Mel.
Hey.
Say hi, Mel.
Mel, say hi to our vlog.
Oh, it's so glitchy.
It's so delayed.
And here's what we're doing for dinner. We're actually gonna do tostadas, sauteed cauli,
So good.
chopped kale. So that once that's done, I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna saute that. I'm gonna get going on the cashew cream.
Did you spice it after all?
No, I didn't. A little refried bin, sauteed kale, bit of cauli. I'm looking for a spoon, bro. Now the key is not to cheap out on the cashew cream, bro. Okay.
Okay. Hot sauce? No pepper. No more pepper.
You have to, man.
No more pepper, you insane boy.
Okay, should I try?
Sure.
Just kidding, buddy. That's for you.
Oh, good one. Because I thought that was kind of rude.
Let's see it.
Okay.
The whole experience, please.
What? Oh.
Oh man, you got cashew cream up your nose. Up the nose.
Up
It
that
is
nose.
dripping up the nose.
Somebody yum.
Somebody yum. Yeah, we got a little number 7. Ooh, habanero ghost. Shout out to No 7. Stuff's fire. The beans are key. That's good, man. That's good.
One thing that always puts us in a good mood is good food, isn't it?
Yeah.
And like,
That's why I knew we needed a decent meal tonight.
and I also think it's so cool how like we're literally stranded right now, but I feel so at home.
Side of the highway. That was real good. Topo? It's great. Space saver.
Zero waste people are.
Zero waste. Especially tomorrow. We just cut that corner and just.
No, it's not zero waste. People
Zero waste of our fridge space is what it is.
Put it back in then! Not like that, you idiot!
Alright, I'll go hunt down some water.
Hey, Pedro. You got that water?
Is anybody still here?
Security man here. Got a nice little fancy outfit.
Or just me?
Yeah, just you because no one likes me.
No, I have to do it. So are you crazy?
Alright,
Come
I
sit
just won't
down.
say anything then.
Okay. Just be here. You can hold it for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you guys, what a freaking ride Mexico has been. It is surely testing our limits, and I think that's what makes for an even more enhanced experience when things go well. Do you think so? So anyways, thank you so much for sticking with us through all of this. I want to be done talking about van repairs. I want to be on the road. I want to be on the beach. So next vlog from us, you can rest assured that we're either doing that or I've gone home. So, is that a good sign off?
That's good, baby.
We hope that you guys will continue to watch. Please hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, hit the little dingy bell. That way you guys get notified. I've noticed some of you are starting the notification club. I love that. Anyways, until next time, we will see what happens.
I said happy trails. Is that gonna be your thing?
Happy trails!
Happy trails.
Until next time, you guys, happy trails. Bye! What did you say? I'm not doing the first edit, you're doing the first edit.
She's got me like a slave. I literally need help, guys. Help me escape this relationship. Slave.
You're a slave.